Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we have a 2018 Toyota 4Runner SR5 4x4. This one is in the Barcelona red metallic with the graphite cloth interior. And then checking out our options, we do have the sliding rear cargo deck, in-tune premium audio with navigation, as well as the paint protection and the carpet mats for a total of $38,367. Gas mileage is going to be 17 city and 20 out on the highway. Coming to our wheels, riding on Bridgestone tires. These are going to be your 17-inch alloy wheels. You can see your mud flaps right there. Trailer hitch, rear backup camera, and your power rear glass. So just go ahead and press unlock twice to unlock all your doors. Then coming in, stick your key in the ignition. Twist to start. So let's go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we have a 4-liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. It does feature dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 270 horsepower and 278 foot-pounds of torque, all going to a part-time four-wheel drive system and a 5-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming in, we do have that graphite cloth interior, all your power adjustments with your power lumbar right there. Door panel materials are nice and stitched soft touch up top. Padded and stitched armrest, all automatic windows, as well as your power locks. Up here to the left of the steering wheel, we also have our power mirrors, panel dim, windshield wiper de-icer, and your AC outlet activation. Coming to that steering wheel, it's going to be a 4-spoke leather wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions. Our 4-way D-pad for our audio system, as well as volume, mode, all that kind of stuff. Bluetooth, voice commands, and display for your center LCD right there. Now coming to your steering wheel, it's going to be a 4-spoke leather wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions, audio controls, as well as Bluetooth and voice commands on the wheel, cruise control on a separate stalk. You have your headlights, fog lights, and blinkers over here on the left, and then over on the right, you have your variable speed wipers and your rear wiper controls. Now coming to your head unit, checking out your audio sources. We have AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs. Going home, split screen view that you can customize in your settings. And then going back to your navigation, you have HD traffic. You can input an address, select for a point of interest, or designate 6 different presets down below there. Right here we do have our single zone manual climate controls with your fan speed, zones, and temperature with heated mirrors. Little storage cubbies. You also do have your audio inputs for USB and auxiliary, 12-volt outlet, part-time four-wheel drive system, cup holders. There's that 5-speed automatic, sport mode and manual shift. Reverse, you have your rear view camera right there. Here's going to be your automatic power sliding rear glass. As you can see that in your rear view. Nice padded armrest. Another 12-volt outlet down in there. Damped glove box with your owner's manuals in there. Manually dimming rear view mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a little extension portion. You have map lights as well as various off-road controls up top and some sunglass storage. So let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Coming back here, of course that graphite cloth does carry through. And climbing in, with your front seat set for my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, plenty of foot room down below. Door panel materials follow through as well with your padding up top, padded stitched armrest, automatic door, automatic window, and your door storage down below. Dual seat mat pockets back here, as well as rear AC vents and 2 12-volt outlets. You have a nice padded armrest with cup holders right here as well. And then up top, damped corning handles with coat hooks and some illumination. So giving you a better view of the dash right there. We'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up the video. Now coming around back, to open up your power glass, go ahead and stick your key in the little hole right over here. Twist and hold in either direction to make it go up and down and lock and unlock your doors. On your limited models, it will just be 2 up and down buttons. since you do have smart key. Press your membrane underneath your 4Runner logo to open up your hatch. Then coming back here, you have that sliding rear cargo deck that can hold up to 440 pounds. It does make it easier to load in heavier items, so you don't have to reach as far in. You can just load them up on here and slide it in. You do have 2 power outlets over there, front license plate bracket, as well as storage on either side. So let's go ahead and close it up. And so that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota 4Runner SR5 4x4. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All their information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.